Okay. Any thoughts as you're writing this one down?
I know.
Yes?
12.
12 what?
12 is the greatest common factor, ma'am.
8.
I don't think 12 goes into 98. Yeah, 12 doesn't go into 98. You can list the factors of each of these. The biggest number they have in common is actually just going to be a 2.
This smells good.
So I'm going to have a 2 out front. What would I have left in that first term? 30. No.
30.
36, which is a perfect square. Great. All right, then what? Huh?
60 to 30.
Uh-huh. What would my final answer look like? 2. Don't forget, that's a very common mistake. People, they'll remember it, and then when the final answer, they just kind of drop it off because it's so easy, okay? So get the 2 in the front, and then 60 to the third plus 7, 60 to the third minus 7. And again, if you flip-flop the plus and the minus, it's fine, as long as you have one of each. Now, how could I check to see if this is actually right? Yeah, you're going to double distribute and then distribute the 2 and see if you end up back where you started. You don't?
No.
Yeah, you do.
Can I get a drink?
Yes. All right, here is the next one.
You can buy 4 or 8, 4. And you can buy them 5, 2. 9 and 1.
Is there a greatest common factor? No. So we can go right into dots, right? So A is to the 4th and to the 4th. Good. And then we have B squared. What happens to 81? 9. So 9B squared, 9B squared. Now, something cool's about to happen. Because when I write these, I have A to the 4th plus 9B squared. Is that cool?
No, not really.
No, it is not.
No.
However,
What was the question?
A to the 4th minus 9B squared is cool. Why am I saying that's cool? You can do it again. It's another dots. What?
Damage over time.
I know. So we can break the A to the 4th up again to A squared and A squared. Do you have to? Yeah. 9B to the 2nd, we can do 3B and 3B. Now, why am I saying this one's cool, this one's not cool?
Because you can't do it anymore.
You can't do it with a plus sign. So don't get all crazy and start doing these forks on all of them. It only works with a minus, difference of 2 squares. There's no sots, okay? It's dots. I'm not trying, I am succeeding. Okay, thank you. All right, so we go A squared plus 3B, A squared minus 3B. Good. Now, the good thing with GCS, like if you try 3 and it's wrong, you should be able to pick out another factor pretty quickly, but 3 is the correct one. Another good indicator on these is that, like, if you would divide them both by 3 and then you end up with perfect squares, you probably picked the right one.
I don't really know how to do this.
All right, now what is the next step?
Yeah.
You got to keep going. You gotta do that. You gotta do that.
Dots, yeah. So 81m to the 4th does what?
9
9m squared. Oh, that looks promising. What about 16? 4 and 4. Oh,
Miss Money, guess what? You can do dots again.
I know. All right, so don't drop the 3 yet. So we have 3. And then we have the first set of parentheses. It's a plus. Loser. Okay. Now the back has a minus. Yes. Why am I so excited about the back?
Because you can do dots.
It's another dot.
Oh my god.
What happens? You guys are so excited. What about 4? 2 and 2.
Yes, there it is.
All right. Shh, focus. So, what's my final answer? 3 times 9m squared plus 4 times 3m plus 2 times. Very good.
Miss Money, y'all lost me on the first day of doing this.
No, so remember that multiplication is commutative. So if you have any of these parentheses, like if you could have like the 3m plus 2, then the 3m minus 2, then the 9m squared plus 4. You know what I mean? They could be a little flip-flop. The important one is you can't mess up the order back here. All right?
Oh my god.
All right. Number E.
That's not even even.
Okay.
Probably not even even.
I know I said number. You can't use dots.
No, sir. The greatest common factor?
But you can use a GCF. What's the GCF? A. It's a real easy one. So factor out an A. A. And then what's left in parentheses?
15. I mean, no, just 15.
A to the 4th. Oh!
Oh.
You can do it again. Wow.
No.
God.
No, you can't.
Thank you.
It's a sides. That's not a thing. No, dots doesn't. Dots doesn't work here because it's a plus. Although they are perfect squares, I feel like I want to do another step too, but we can't. Okay.
I don't want to do another step.
I don't want to do nothing else but go home.
All right. I believe this is our final example.
Yes. It
Okay.
is.
Yeah.
Thank you, Lord.
What shall I do? 4x squared and 4x squared. Good.
Oh my god.
Z squared. Good. I'm liking where this is going.
Wait. Can you do it again?
I think you might be able to do it again.
Lord,
Wow. So fun.
In the front or the back? In the back, because we need the minus, okay? So what do I have in the back? 2x plus z, 2x minus z. Good.
We're student outside.
I see. Okay. Shh. Focus. All right. I am worried you guys didn't do any summaries while I was gone, so let's do a quick one. Today we learned what?
Yeah, I know.
Dots. Phenomenal.
Yes, you did.
All right. Here comes your day 3 homework.